Welcome to another Arduino small compute video, produced by the Arduino Workshop on YouTube and supported by leebinder.com/Arduino. We hope you enjoy this lesson and learn something new today. In this video, we'll walk through an Arduino sketch that uses a for loop to control a row of LEDs connected to pins 8 through 13. We'll go line by line so you can clearly understand what each part of the program does. Let's start at the top of the sketch with the setup function. Line 1 is blank. Line 2 reads void setup open parenthesis close parenthesis. This defines a special function that runs only once when the Arduino powers up or resets. It's where we prepare our pins and get everything ready before the main program loop begins. The opening curly brace marks the start of the code that belongs to this setup section. Next, we see line 3. For integer pin equals 8, pin less than or equal to 13, pin plus plus. This is the for loop. It tells the Arduino to start with a variable named pin, set it equal to 8, and keep repeating the loop as long as pin is less than or equal to 13. After each pass, the value of pin increases by 1. Inside the loop, on line 4, we have pin mode open parenthesis pin, output close parenthesis semicolon. This command sets each of those pins, numbers 8 through 13, as outputs. That means these pins can send signals, like turning an LED on or off. Finally, we close the setup block with a curly brace. At this point, all 6 pins are configured and ready to go. Next comes the loop function, which runs continuously after setup finishes. Line 8 reads void loop open parenthesis close parenthesis. This defines the main part of the program that repeats forever while the Arduino is powered on. The opening curly brace again marks the start of the loop section. Line 9 shows another for loop. For integer pin equals 8, pin less than or equal to 13, pin plus plus. Just like before, it steps through pins 8 to 13. On line 10 we see digital write open parenthesis pin, high close parenthesis semicolon. This turns the current LED on by sending a high signal, about 5 volts, to that pin. Line 11 contains delay open parenthesis 300 close parenthesis semicolon. Since 1 second is 1000 milliseconds, this delay is about 1/3 of a second. That pause creates a smooth chase effect as each LED lights up one after another. Line 12 is curly brace to close the ForAndNext function. Line 13 is blank. After all LEDs are on, the program waits 1 second with delay 1000. This keeps all lights on before turning them off. Line 14. Line 15 is blank. Now we reach the second for loop. Again, it counts from pin 8 to 13. But this time, inside the loop we see line 17, digital write open parenthesis pin, low close parenthesis. This sends a low signal, 0 volts, turning every LED off. Line 18 is closing brace for the ForAndNext loop at 16. Line 19 is blank. Line 20 main loop delay of 1000 milliseconds lets us see the lights off before the next cycle begins. Line 21 is the loop function closing curly brace. And that's it. This short program demonstrates how a for loop can make repetitive tasks simple and elegant. Instead of writing 6 separate lines of code for each LED, the loop handles all of them automatically. When you upload this sketch to your Arduino and connect LEDs to pins 8 through 13, you'll see them light up one by one, stay on for a moment, then all switch off together and repeat. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about for loops and LED control, be sure to subscribe to Arduino Workshop for more tutorials and hands-on coding examples.
I hope you found this video helpful. Feel free to leave a comment or a suggestion for a video. A like and a subscription would be appreciated. For more Arduino tips and tricks, visit leebinder.com/Arduino and visit us on YouTube.